Today we are not climbing any mountains or taking any epic bike rides. Today I'm learning how to do a low country boil. The low country boil gets its name from the low country region of South Carolina. It was developed by a National Guardsman named Richard Gay, who is tasked with feeding over 100 soldiers with whatever food he could scrounge up. So today, my friend David is going to walk me through the steps of creating a lower Alabama version of the low country boil.
Fill this thing up, clean it off a little bit.
All right. So how much water are you going to put in there, bud?
Well, we're going to put up to about right there.
All righty.
Wide open. Wide. Get it back and down. Okay. Get it on there.
So basically we've got 5 pounds of shrimp. We were going for 1 pound of medium-sized shrimp per person, but we think that's a little too much.
It is. It's a half a pound.
Half a pound.
Half a
Okay,
pound.
well
Half a pound per person.
we're gonna be eating shrimp for a while.
How small do you want?
I almost cut them just in half.
Oh,
Never cut them that small.
Ronnie.
Over here we got the Conecuh sausage.
How you cut them?
I don't know. So it's all a matter of interpretation on how
Exactly.
everybody wants
okay.
it done.
Oh, is that right?
David.
Throw these in there, Ronnie.
So we're gonna do 2 of those.
We are.
Awesome.
You can't. Some people can't overspice. You can't overspice it for us, but you can overspice it for some. No, that a pig, I don't think likes it real spicy.
I do, spicy.
You do,
good.
and our mama don't like it real spicy, so that's what we're gonna put the crab boil in there.
So okay, we got this thing going basically full speed, and you said about 10 to 15 minutes to start boiling.
15, 20 minutes tops, Robin.
Okay.
Hear this, man. This is your part.
All
A
right.
little bit of this in there. A little shaker there. And go ahead and drop them bad boys in there.
We can go to the boil. Gotcha.
Always keep it stirred.
All right, you can see it boiling out the holes there. I think we're just about ready
Yeah,
now.
we're almost ready for some minutes.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's right. We're gonna start off with potatoes.
Right now, with
Yep,
potatoes.
that's right. And hold that thing where it don't fall in there. There you go. That's it. I think, if I'm not bad mistaken, this is Ron's first low country bowl. There you go.
We got our new potatoes. All right, that's the taters. Down in there.
There you go.
All right, so here we're adding the lemon. Squeeze them and drop them in.
Just throughout the course.
Just throughout the course of how we're doing here. Okay,
Yep, we're
that's
gonna throw
good.
a couple there. We're gonna throw some more with the Conecuh and some more with the corn. May take it up. That's it. There you go. There you go.
Here goes corn.
There you go. Country boil is just slow and easy and drink your beer along the way. That's all. This is fun. This is fun cooking, not no science cooking. This is fun.
You like our science.
All right, now throw you another onion. Just squeeze your lemon or two. Right, squeeze you one. That's good. We'll save the rest of them for the onions and the drop it in there. There you go. Let her go. I can.
Still
I'm getting it up there.
looking like 192 right around
That's
there.
good. About 212, 215 is really rocking. So that's cooking. That's cooking with natural gas, we'd say, but it's natural water.
Propane.
Yes, sir. Good old propane.
Cooking with propane.
Good job, brother.
Thank you.
Good job. What you think?
I think it's great.
Good. What you doing now, Ronnie? What you adding?
Well, we're going to add the world's favorite ingredients, Conecuh sauce.
That's exactly right, brother. No arguments out of me.
Chunk in these guys right here. Oh man, look at that.
Looking good, ain't it, buddy?
Looking good.
Huh?
Holy cow.
Look at there, look at there.
Man,
I'll squeeze your lemon
good life itself.
and drop it. Here you go. Just throw a little bit more old buddy in there.
A little Budweiser. A little more lemon.
All right, little
All right.
I'm just gonna throw one for the boys in the band, all right?
Potato for the boys.
There you go. There you go. Got to keep it stirred. If it don't do nothing but it just help your soul, you know, it just helps your soul. So they just got a little soul cooking right there. They ain't no doubt about that now. All right, now, what you putting in now, Ronnie?
All right, next thing we're going with is these sweet By day,
Yo, you can't beat them, Bubba.
by day.
Look at that. See what you got here. Can we look in your pot while you do it?
Oh yeah, check it out.
Holy moly. Come on, man.
Oh man.
Ooh, look at them stuff down there, folks. Ronnie Blocker. Low Country Bowl. L.A., baby. L.A.
Hey, Lower Alabama.
Camelot. Fairhope. That's it.
There we go.
Got out the pot turning.
Skull in the boat here.
That's it. That's it. Like an Ira Talbot down the Chattahoochee River, man. A little more, a little more. See
Okay, so what you saying
that?
here?
Soft.
The onions aren't quite soft enough.
Nope.
But the taters, they're still good and solid.
I'll show you.
They're not all mushy.
We want them just to be a little bit intact.
Yeah,
See,
there
they
you
got,
are,
see,
yeah,
they
yeah.
got a little bit.
Corn's looking pretty good.
That
So,
was great. We were good.
all right.
Couple minutes, we're gonna put the screw.
Go. Got some medium-sized Gulf shrimp, 5 pounds.
Easy, easy, easy. Shake. How you gonna do like I do it? Like this. There you go. Easy, step them out. Thank you. How about that now? Look at
All
that.
right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Now you watch. They're going in. See there? We'll get you one before they're over on
Oh,
the
goodness.
side.
Yeah.
See them, Ronnie? Can you got
Oh,
it there?
they're looking good. Yeah. Beautiful pink shrimp. Shrimp's looking awesome.
You see
I think we're
them?
going to try one more just to see if we're there yet. Oh, yeah. All right, so we got it done now, so we're going to bring the basket out and drain it. That is a big basket full of stuff there now. You get it?
Yeah.
There you go.
What y'all think, girls?
All good. It's all good.
We'll let that go for now.
Put it here. Yeah, the rest right here. Right. There you go.
So David, show me how to
All right.
a perfect peel on shrimp. Let me zoom up.
Mash, isn't that good enough to eat? See that
Let's see
popping
you
all
do.
off
Oh,
there?
there, oh, that was perfect. Yep.
That's how it's supposed to do. And then grab right here, and one pull, and you got all the meat. That
That's
good enough?
perfect. That looks
And
good.
this right
now.
here. Weird dog. That's fine too.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.